In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Shop app. We'll use your computer's web browser to install the Shop website as an app so it opens in its own window, looks cleaner, and is easier to access next time you need it. This process uses a built-in browser feature and only takes a minute. Start by opening a web browser on your PC. A modern browser like Chrome or Edge works best because it includes the option to install websites as apps. Make sure the browser window is active on your desktop so all the menus are available. Next, go to the official Shop website. Type the address into the browser's address bar and press Enter. When the page loads, give it a moment to fully display. You're looking for the standard Shop homepage with the familiar branding so you know you're in the right place. Now look to the top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. It usually appears as three vertical dots and controls most of the browser's tools and settings. Click that menu to open it. You'll see several sections and shortcuts that relate to things like printing, zoom, and more advanced features. Move your mouse to hover over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Don't click yet, just pause your cursor over that area. Hovering expands additional options without leaving the page. This is where the browser groups features related to saving the page or making it easier to access later. In the expanded options, click Install as App. This tells the browser to package the Shop website into an app-like window, giving you a streamlined experience with its own icon and without the usual browser tabs and address bar. A small confirmation box will appear. Click Install to confirm. This step gives your browser permission to create the app and set up its shortcuts. The installation usually takes just a moment. Wait for the installation to finish. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and then the Shop app should open automatically in a clean, dedicated window. From here, you can use Shop just like you would on the website, but with a more focused feel. Depending on your system, you may also notice a new shortcut in your Start menu or on your desktop for easy access later. That's it. You've successfully installed the Shop app using your browser's built-in tools. If anything looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Browser menus can vary a bit, but the steps are the same. Open the site, use the three-dot menu, find the Install as App option, confirm, and let it finish.